What is up everyone, you're watching Team Knowledge channel, and in this video I will show you how you can fix microphone not working problem in Galaxy M42. So before starting video, if you are first time on channel, just don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon. So to fix microphone not working problem in Galaxy M42, first of all you just need to go to settings. So open settings and then follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your issue, otherwise there will be a hardware issue.